Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I put in this year's spooky baskets for my toddler who is almost 3 years old. He'll be 3 in December, and then my goddaughter who just turned 5, and then my baby who is about to turn 3 months. So if you would like to see what I put in their spooky baskets, then just continue watching today's video. So I'm going to start out with my son. He is almost 3 years old. So this is how I did his little basket. I kept it really simple. I don't have as much stuff in here like I did with Easter, just because Christmas is coming up. Like, you know, keep it in a little budget, something a little bit more simple. So yeah, I just made him a little basket, and his and my goddaughter's is very similar. I think I just switched out like the plushies, but I'll show you guys anyway. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And a lot of the things were also sold out. When I placed my in-store pickup at Walmart, like half of the things I ordered were out of stock. So that really sucked. I didn't even get a chance to go to the store, like to Dollar Tree or to Walmart or Target myself. So I just like to do the in-store pickup. And you know, with the baby and a toddler, it's very hard to get out. So I just put it together with the stuff that was in stock. So this is what I have. So the first thing that I got him was this little shirt, and it just says Boo. And I love this shirt because, again, it's like the spooky vibes. It has the little ghost, the little bats, the little skull, and then the Boo thing. And this Boo here actually glows in the dark. So this is pretty cool. It actually says it on here, like glow in the dark. And they were really affordable. This shirt was only $5.48. And this is the first thing that I put in there. The next thing that you see, like right at the top of the basket, is this little vampire Mickey Mouse. So I love this little thing. He is obsessed with Mickey, and I just thought like this was perfect for like Halloween. These ones I believe were $6.97, and this is what it looks like. It just has this little vampire cape, the little details here. It's just super cute. And then the next thing that I put in here for him are these little sticky bounce balls. So for Easter, I don't know if you guys remember, I gave him those little monster finger things, and they stick to like the walls and the ceiling, and him and my goddaughter were obsessed with that. Every time they come over, there's still like a few around the house, they'll find them and then just throw them in the ceiling, and then they stick, and then they wait for it to like fall down. So I actually had found some little Halloween themed ones, but again, they were out of stock. So then I went ahead and placed an order for these. These are just like a I don't even know what kind of ball it is. It's like a ball with spikes, but it's not sharp or anything. It's like the gummy material, so it's perfect for them. And these are actually better because they have like a handle, so they can just whip it up in the air from the handle. And it comes with 4 in each one, and these were like under $2, I believe. I don't even remember, but I just got them at Walmart. The next thing that I got for him was this Mickey and Minnie Halloween book, and I just saw this and I thought it was super cute. It is Halloween themed, and it was only 98 cents, and it's like a Halloween story, so it's very short. It has like 4 or 5 pages, but I could just read this with him for Halloween, and it's super cute. And I did find that one at Walmart. Most of the stuff is from Walmart. I think literally everything is from Walmart. The next thing I got him is just this little Mickey Mouse coloring book. And again, it's just a little fun activity that he could do to entertain himself. It just has coloring pages, and it's Mickey Halloween theme, so perfect in theme. And then to go with his Halloween coloring book, I did pick him up some crayons. So I got him this twistable crayons because he always breaks the crayons that I give him. I saw that a mom had recommended these for toddlers because if they break off, then I could just like twist it and then more color would come off so he doesn't break the entire crayon. So this is our first time that we're gonna try them. I'm hoping that these work better. It says that we don't have to like sharpen it or anything, so just twist it and it's good to go. I like it shutting off. I think it's the battery. So the next thing that I have in here for him is these little glow bracelets, and these are going to be perfect when we go trick-or-treating because it comes in a pack of 8, and it has all of these fun colors, so it's going to be perfect just to give us a little bit of light when we're out trick-or-treating. Another thing that I got him for trick-or-treating is this little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin light. So it does light up. Oh, the light went out at the perfect time to show you guys. I think my ring light ran out of battery, so I'm just gonna show you guys for this. I'm just gonna keep trying to turn it on throughout the video. It's just this little pumpkin light, and it was $1.24 at Walmart, and I just thought this was super cute for trick-or-treating. And the last thing I have in here for him is just snacks. So I did find this bag of Bones chips. These are just Cheetos. I bought a big pack of like 18, and then these came in here. So I thought they were perfect for the Halloween bag, so I just took 2 bags out of the pack and used them for their Halloween baskets. The next snack that I have in here is just the Sour Patch Candy, and again, it is Halloween themed. It is the zombie one, so just got him this one. And then I did get him the Nerds Rope candy. And the last candy that I got for him was this Kinder Joy chocolate. Just looks like this, and again, it is Halloween themed. So for my goddaughter, I have the exact same basket. I just got it in pink. I did forget to tell you guys, I got these baskets at Target for only 70 cents. They were running like a 30% off all the Halloween collection, so these were $1, and then with the discount they were only 70 cents. So this is what hers looks like, and again, it is very similar. It has all of the same things except the Minnie Mouse, which is right at the top here. I'll just go ahead and show you guys. For her, I did find a Minnie Mouse, and it's the exact same thing. It has the cape. What it looks like. So again, she does have the same snack, the bag of chips, the rope, the chocolate, the zombie Sour Patch, the little toys of the little ball. And for her coloring book, I did pick her this one. It's the Gabby's Dollhouse book, and again, it is Halloween themed. I'm literally fighting with my light here, but I just have a few more things to show you. So this is the Halloween book. They didn't have Minnie Mouse, they had Gabby's Dollhouse. So I just got her this one, and then I got her the same glow sticks. Her mini book is this, and then for her pumpkin light is just a purple one, but when you turn it on, it's actually hot pink, and her favorite color is pink, so this is perfect for her. And then I just got her these crayons. So it comes in a pack of 24, and it has a lot of girly colors that she's going to love. So I just got this one's for her instead of the twistable one. She is 5 years old, so she's a lot better with crayons already. And the last thing that I have in here for her is her shirt, and it's this one right here. So for her, I found this really cute one. It says spooky season. The light keeps turning off, you guys. I'm so sorry about the light, but just a little shirt. It was $5.48 at Walmart, and it's just super cute. Spooky season, perfect for the fall time. For my daughter's basket, I didn't find a lot of cute fall things, so I just Halloween things. So I just did a little fall theme for her. So this is what I did. I also didn't find like a cute basket, so this is just like a little container that I have from her, where I organize like her drawers. So I just put everything in here. She's not gonna use the basket or anything, so I didn't really want to spend money on it. So I just got her cute things for a fall. So hers is more of like a fall theme basket, if you can see. So the first thing I got her here was this little hat and booty set. I found this at Marshall's. It was $7.99, and I love the little hat. It has like cute little pom-poms, and then the little booty shoes are so cute. So I thought this was perfect. I did find her the most adorable little shoes at Walmart. I couldn't believe that Walmart had this. Walmart has really been stepping up their game, but these are like a little Sherpa like slip-on shoes. Like, how cute are these? And they had them in 3 to 6 months, which is going to be her size pretty soon. She's outgrowing her 0 to 3 months, so these are going to be adorable on her. I did get her a teether because she has been teething already. She's only about to turn 3 months, so I did find this one. It's the newbie toothbrush, so it also helps, like, you know, they say to like clean like their mouth from, not their teeth because they don't have teeth, but like their gums from any milk residue that stays in their mouth. So I thought this was perfect. She could hold it and, like, you know, massage her little gums, and then at the same time like clean her gums. So I got this one for her, and I also picked this one up at Marshall's, and it was only $3.99. For her book, I did get this one here. It just says, "You're my little pumpkin pie." I thought it was super cute. I thought that it was gonna be more like fall theme, but it's actually more like Halloween on the inside. So it just looks like this. And then for her outfit, again, it was more fall theme, not Halloween. So I did find this Thanksgiving outfit for her. It just says "Extra Thankful for Daddy," and it has a little headband and a cute little pants in the back. Nathan has joined the chat. He already stole her book. So yeah, so I got her this really cute outfit. I just thought it was adorable for Thanksgiving. And I love how it says extra thankful for daddy, because remember, like, for her baby shower she didn't get like anything that said like daddy's girl or anything. So I love that I found this. And I also found this one at Marshall's for only $7.99. And I thought that this would look super adorable with these cute little shoes. Like, how cute does that look? So adorable. And then the last thing that I found for her was this was the only Halloween thing that I found for her. It was a little teddy bear, but it's like in a pumpkin, which is so cute. I actually found this at Marshall's as well. I found most of her things at Marshall's. This one was $5.99, so super adorable, super cute. When I saw this, I immediately grabbed it. I knew that I had to come home with me. And at the store, Nathan kept actually playing with it, so it did get a little dirty here because he kept throwing it at the store, but it's okay. She's not gonna like really play with it right now. I just wanted her to have something for like her first Halloween, so this is adorable. And then I did get her one more thing, which was another teeter that hasn't arrived yet. It should arrive tomorrow, so I'm gonna throw in a clip of it here once I get it tomorrow for you guys. But this is pretty much everything that I got for her for her little fall theme basket. This is the last thing that I was waiting on for baby. It's a little rattle, a latte. It's a little coffee cup, and it's so good. You guys can see in the picture there. But it's just a little rattle for her, and I thought it was perfect for the fall theme basket because it is like a little coffee mug. So I love my coffee, and then now she can have her own little coffee mug. And that is everything that I got for her. And that is actually everything that I put in this year's spooky baskets. I hope that you guys get some ideas for your kids. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video if you did. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!